Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable statistics in the Journey Plan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And if you scroll down, look for the use statistics button. So this way you can help improve the application and you can allow anonymous usage statistics to be tracked by the application. So to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.